just going to place this hand down next to your own. Now, we have your real hand. This is a fake hand. We have your other real hand over here. But I want you just to focus your attention on the fake hand. And as I start to make these brushing motions with the stick, I'm simultaneously doing that to your other hand, your real hand, on this side of the screen. So as I do this, your mind will start to connect these sensations together, and it should start to feel like the fake hand is actually your real hand. Is that happening?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's a very strange sensation, but this is 100% true, it's legitimate. Now I want you to focus on that sensation and watch. I'm sorry that I scared you. It's okay, it's just a fake